Cement is the main ingredient of concrete. Not only the concrete, in the projects, we can use the cement in various ways: block work, brickwork, plasters, or any other area, flooring, we are using cement. So it is very much important to check the quality of the cement itself, because if we cannot control the quality of the raw material or the cement, we cannot produce the end product as per our requirement. So what is happening? The material is coming at the site as per the purchase order has placed. The supplier or the manufacturer has sent the material at the site. Now, as a site engineer, what the quality control, it is our duty to verify and check each and every component of the cement, so that we can assure that this cement is as per our requirement, and project or end product will be as per the requirement. So what is the checkpoint of concrete whenever it is delivered at the site? Sorry, not concrete, the cement whenever it is delivered at the site. I will discuss each and everything details in this matter. So stay tuned until the end, get the full information. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So let's start. First, we need to check the delivery documentation. So whenever many material is coming, not only the cement, it will come along with the delivery documentation. What will be in the delivery documentation? That will be included documents, included packing list, delivery notes, road challan, or the manufacturer certificates, or the supply chain. What is supply chain? Because for any material, the supply chain is very much important. So what is the supply chain? Supply chain, suppose we are purchasing from the manufacturer A. Now from the manufacturer, it is coming to supplier B, then supplier C, then it is coming to us in the project as D. But how to ensure, because we are getting material from the C, not from the A. So how to ensure that the source of the material is as per our requirement? That is why the supply chain is very much important. Now, how you need to verify all the documents that from the A, it is coming to B, B to C, and C to D, and all the MTC to be endorsed by all the parties whoever involved in the supply chain. So for things, we in the delivery documentation, we need to check the supply chain along with the delivery notes, road challan, and everything, so that we can verify that these material is coming from the illegal sources, not from any illegal sources. Then it is coming packing integrity. What is packing integrity? Inspect cement bags for any damage, sign, or tampering. So it is very much important that we need to check that there is any damage or not on the cement bag. We need to check. Then after checking the packaging integrity, we need to quantity check. Why quantity check? Confirm the quantity of cement received matches in the order, because it is in the purchase order, we have purchased something, and whenever they are sending the material, in the delivery note or the delivery challan, they are mentioning, say for example, 100 bags of cement. Now you need to confirm at the site whether this 100 bag is coming or not. So that the delivery challan, our record, and our purchase order is in sync, that all the material is coming as per our requirement. So we need to check the quantity as well. Then we need to check, after quantity, we have done the visual inspection. Now, not only the visual inspection is important, but also we need to check the other parameter also. Then what is the visual inspection? In the visual inspection, what we will check? In the visual inspection, we will check whether any irregularities in the color, texture, or consistency of the cement. What is happening if the cement is stored in the go down or in the yard more time? What will happen? It can take the moisture, and it lumps can form, and the color and the texture can be changed. So if it is happening material we are receiving, that means with this material, our end product or the product conformity cannot be achieved. So we need to check visually if there is any lump, color, texture, and the consistency. If it is happening, we should not accept that material. Then it is coming labeling and marking. Every batch or every bag is marked. What will be in bag? Labeled with brand, type, and other relevant information. So suppose you have asking for the X brand of cement. Now you need to check whether the X brand or X grade, maybe 43, 53, or whatever, so that are in the cement bag itself is written or not. And also the manufacturing week, manufacturing date, and the expiry date, that also you need to check in the cement bag, so that you will ensure that this material is produced in as per our approved source or the company or the manufacturer, and it is coming within the limit, within the specified brand and type, then it will be ensuring our quality. So marking or labeling also need to be checked very precisely. Then MTC, what is the MTC? That is meal test certificate. In meal test certificate, what is that? That whenever any manufacturer company they are providing or they are producing cement, they have test their own laboratory and they provided the meal test certificate. In the meal test certificate, they have mentioning everything, whatever the details, what is the brand type, what is the grade, maybe 43, 53, whatever the compressive strength, what is the setting time, what is the permeability, what is the soundness, or whatever, that everything will be mentioned. So check the week number, batch number, compressive strength, setting time, fineness, soundness. Now why you need to check? Because you have the project specification or the IS code. Now you need to verify that this manufacturer certificate is always in line with the IS code or the project specification. So it is very much important to check the multi certificate, and it should be in line with the specification or the IS code. And if it is, then only we can say this material is as per our requirement. So after checking the MTC, what you need to check? We need to do the sampling, because take random sample for testing, especially if there are concern about quality. Now we need to finalize the frequency of testing, maybe in the site lab or in the third party lab. What is the frequency to be agreed with the client or consultant, and according to that frequency we need to take the sample as per the IS code, and we need to send it to the laboratory, or we need to perform in our in situ lab. So we need to sampling the cement also whenever it is coming for the testing purpose. Then it is coming expiry date check. As already we discussed, the verify relevant cement has not exceeded the expiration date. If it is happening, that means we cannot use that cement for the concrete or any other purpose, because it's already expired and we will not get the desired strength or anything. So it is straight away to be rejected if it is the expiry date over. Then we need to check the documentation accuracy, already discussed, but all check that all relevant documents including delivery notes and accurately filled out on everything, and all documents have the legal entity, so that we are ensuring that we are not getting material for any illegal sources. Next is coming storage condition. So why it is important storage condition? Because ensuring storage facilities are dry, well ventilated and protected from adverse. So whenever it is material is coming, we cannot use it directly to the site. We need to store the material. Now if the store condition is not as per the requirement, what will happen? Eventually this cement will take the moisture and this will start reacting, and the lumps, color, texture and the properties will be cement will not be as per the requirement. So the storage condition also very much important. As a site engineer or quality control engineer, it is our duty to verify the storage condition of the cement itself. Then it is coming temperature monitoring. Monitor and record the temperature of the storage area. That is also important to maintain the storage area temperature. Why? If it is not well ventilated and is not within the specified limit of temperature, we are again there will be a problem, and again this cement can be take the moisture, or it's overheated or the low, it will start reacting and will not get the right kind of cement. Then what is this? The stock rotation, which is that we are always following that FIFO, that is fast in fast out. What is that? So the material is coming first, it will be going out for the construction first, because if it is not maintained, then if the second lot or the third lot category we are sending to the site, the first category will be expire within the time and it will be wastage. So whatever the material is coming first, and it will go first, so that the rotation will be there, stock rotation, and there will be no expiration of the cement at the construction store. So these are the thing you need to check whenever the cement is coming at the site, and along with you need to do the testing as per the requirement of the projects or the IS code, or in the laboratory or in the site lab to verify the parameter. I hope this you will find this useful, and if you find it useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And I'm waiting for your valuable comment, so that from your valuable comment, everybody will be benefited. And thank you once again for watching me.